How to make money online while you sleep. Passive income secrets. What if you could earn money while binge watching your favorite show? Or, better yet, while you're fast asleep? Passive income isn't a fantasy. It's a reality that can transform your life with minimal effort. Intrigued? Let's dive into 8 proven ways to make money while you snooze. Have expertise in something? Turn your knowledge into a steady income stream by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable let you offer your skills to countless learners. Whether it's photography, coding, or cooking, work once and keep earning as learners flock to your content. Passive income magic happens when evergreen courses bring returns year after year. Invest time upfront to build a quality course and enjoy the financial benefits without constant effort. Love to write? Publishing ebooks is a great way to make money with your creative or technical flair. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, enables your book to reach millions of readers worldwide. Fiction, how-to guides, or memoirs. Choose a genre that aligns with your expertise. Every sale of your book translates to passive income. The best part? Once your ebook is out there, it keeps earning without extra work on your part. Pick a topic you love: travel, fitness, tech, and start a blog. As your blog grows, it can generate income through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. Use platforms like WordPress to build and optimize your blog for maximum reach. With consistent quality content, your blog can become a money-making machine. Even when you're offline, your posts work 24/7 to earn for you. Promote products or services online and get paid whenever someone buys using your unique link. Platforms like Amazon Associates make affiliate marketing simple and lucrative. Share your honest reviews or recommendations and let clicks turn into cash. Affiliate marketing works like an income multiplier. Each sale adds to your earnings, even when you're sleeping. Got a creative streak? Design cool t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags using print-on-demand services like Printful or Redbubble. Once you upload your designs, they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. Every sale means more money in your pocket, with zero active involvement. It's creativity earning for you around the clock. If you're a content creator with an eye for quality, monetize your work by selling stock photos, videos, or music online. Companies and creators need fresh content constantly, and platforms like Shutterstock or Pond5 are eager to pay for your creativity. From a single upload, your visuals or audio can generate royalties for years to come. Have a spare parking space or unused equipment? Earn passive income by renting them out. Platforms like Parkly and local rental apps make it easy to monetize these extra resources with minimal effort. Your idle assets can quietly work behind the scenes to grow your bank balance. Consider dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, or real estate crowdfunding. These strategies require initial investment but offer consistent returns over time. Explore apps like Fundrise or Robinhood to get started, regardless of your budget. Money earned through investments can compound, providing long-term security with little additional effort. Passive income can change your life. Start small by picking one of these ideas today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll earn while you sleep. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-transforming tips, and begin your journey to financial freedom now.